Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and send money from TD Bank to Zelle. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. So for that, first of all, go ahead access your TD Bank mobile bank to the mobile bank app on your mobile phone. Once you have done so, you can see we have highlighted this option of send money on top. Go ahead, tap on it, and afterwards you're going to find this option of a pay bill, transfer, and deposit. Three options on top and the summary as well on bottom. All you have to do is tap on this transfer option given in the middle section. Once you have tapped on that particular option, you're going to access the Zelle option here, which includes send money with Zelle, which includes a three option below: send, request, and split. If you would like to split, you can also do that with the Zelle, but if you would like to send money, go ahead, simply tap on this send money on top. After that, it's going to simply show you this kind of interface, which includes your find your Zelle contact faster, where you're going to go ahead, you might have the save contacts as well whom you would like to transfer. Otherwise, you can tap on this access contact and simply search for the particular user of your Zelle account, Zelle user whom you want to transfer your money to. Once you have tapped on that user, you're going to find this kind of interface which includes the send and the amount below. Go ahead, enter the amount or correct it accordingly. Otherwise, simply going to go ahead, tap on the send option given below right corner. Once you have completed all of those steps, the only thing would be simply for you to see the last statement, which includes the sent on top, and you can see it to the person's account information and the confirmation as well below, and there you can see this all done. Once it happens all done, you can go back to your home section. Your transaction is also done by TD Bank to Zelle. This is the simple way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.